Gracie loves diggers, especially John Deere diggers. There's Grandpa. He's supervising. The digger's moving that dirt around. He's digging another hole. And then he's gonna fill it up. Here's the hole he dug here. He's gonna dig another big hole down there. He beeps to let us know he's moving. Oh, that digger turns all the way around. He's showing you his name, Deere. D-E-E-R-E.